keep your plans to yourself until they're done. Honesty builds trust. Your dreams are your responsibility. Remember, even nice people have limits. Your direction matters more than speed. Control your thoughts, or they will control you. Keep some things private. It's powerful. Don't make lasting choices on temporary feelings. Handle the worst to be the best. As long as you're alive, no problem is permanent. Being always right doesn't teach you anything. Be patient. Good things come when you least expect them. Every day is a lesson or a memory. Make the most of your life. Be true to yourself. Others' opinions don't matter. Ignore bad advice. It's okay to be alone. Goals are personal. The family you make is as important as the one you're from. Life is short. Enjoy it, love, and cherish memories. Control your thoughts, or they'll control you. Choose your friends carefully. Being around better people makes you better. Be loyal, or stay single. It's simple. Appreciate everything, even small things. Work hard and trust the process. It'll pay off. What people say is more about them, not you. Be kind, but not foolish. Say no if you want to. It's okay. Believe people the first time they show you who they are. Respect yourself more than your feelings. Don't let success or failure control you. Self-respect comes from self-discipline. If you're kind, know your limits. People only understand what they want to. Accept feedback, but not disrespect. Never give up on what you really want. Stay quiet when you're angry. In life, you can watch, do, or wonder what happened. Stay strong, even when it's hard. Be yourself. People judge anyway. You don't have to win every argument. No regrets. Learn and accept. Be calm to think clearly. Being interested in others makes you interesting. Hating hurts you, not the person you hate. Let go of grudges. They're harmful. We often worry more in our minds than in reality. People change and things go wrong. Life goes on. Learn to say no. You don't need to explain. Be good, but don't try too hard to prove it. You can't change the past, but you can change what happens next. Being alone lets you reconnect with yourself. See people for who they really are, not who you want them to be. Don't pretend to be perfect. Live at your own speed. Life's short. Don't waste time being mad at people. Your hardest times often lead to the greatest moments. Being jealous is pointless. You have everything you need. If you don't ask, you won't get. Treat others how you want to be treated. Telling the truth makes life easier. Life isn't always fair, but it's still worth living. Taking risks is important to succeed. Believe in actions, not just words. Having money makes life easier. If you can control your thoughts, you can handle anything. If people don't value you, they don't deserve you. Heal on your own. Don't tell everyone everything. Don't expect much from others to avoid disappointment. Good things happen at the right time. Be patient. Failure is temporary, not permanent. Stay away from gossip. It's bad for your mind. Being too attached causes suffering. Time shows how much you mean to someone. Stress doesn't last forever, but its lessons do. If someone's mean to you, they're probably unhappy themselves. Money isn't everything, but it helps solve problems. Being smart and kind is good, but don't be too proud. Having a kind heart is good. It'll come back to you. Do what's best for you without feeling bad. Stay away from people who make you feel alone. Make peace with your past so it doesn't ruin your present. Don't compare your life to others. Everyone's different. Never underestimate silly people in large groups. You're in charge of your life, nobody else. Sometimes you win, sometimes you learn. If no one helps you, it's okay to do it yourself. Money is important. Take it seriously. Your time is valuable. Don't waste it on unworthy people. What others think about you is their business, not yours. Remember, people come and go in life. It's normal. If you don't control your own mind, others might. Sometimes, bad things help you see better. Getting better can be lonely, but it's worth it. Be proud you made it through tough days. It's okay if not everyone likes you. Keep some things to yourself. Not everyone needs to know. Be nice, but don't let people take advantage of you. It's better to be disliked for being you than liked for being fake. Don't spend all your money just to look rich. Master your mind, or it will master you. Steer your thoughts, or they will steer your life. Shape your perspective, or be shaped by it.